Continue cuddle time. Use the steps to help your best friend climb up on the sofa or bed all by himself to improve quality time together. Durable. Strong wooden construction supports pets who weigh up to 200 pounds. No slipping. Carpet covers keep your dog or cat from slipping and sliding when they use the steps to get on and off furniture. Simple to store. Pet steps fold down flat so you can easily store them under your couch or bed. Sizing. 4 steps measuring 30 in LX 19 in WX 25 in H. Formerly SOLVIT brand, packaging may vary. Give your best friend a leg up with the PetSafe CozyUp folding wood pet steps. If your dog or cat isn't quite tall enough to reach the bed or couch, or if you want to help protect their joints, folding pet steps give your furry friend the freedom to get on and off furniture all by themselves. These folding wooden steps, in a decorative cherry finish, are designed for furry family members weighing up to 200 pounds. The carpet covers on each step give your dog or cat traction to confidently walk up and down the pet steps without slipping. Between snuggle sessions, you can conveniently store the wood pet steps by folding them flat and sliding it under a piece of furniture. PetSafe brand is here to help you and your pet live happy together. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality, looks like a piece furniture. Took a few days of training and lots of treats, but my 8-year-old male Boston Terrier now has his independence back. After having carpet removed and the hardwood refinished in my bedroom, he was unable to get in and out of bed on his own. With a current rotator cuff injury, his 30 pounds frame felt more like 60 pounds to me. He's now using the stairs regularly and no more lifting for me. I also love that the stain on these stairs matches the beautiful hardwood in my room. This was a great purchase for me.